All right, everybody, Michael from AMS. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look back at this beautiful Vegas Yellow R8. If you guys haven't seen it, a few episodes ago, we began the build on this car. We're happy to say at this point, it is just about finished. There's just a few steps left in the process, but we're going to kind of show you everything that has happened up to this point. So if you haven't, you can go ahead and click the box somewhere up here, and that'll bring you to the last video. Remember in the last episode, we said that during the dyno polls, the owner was actually going to introduce himself. We were gonna actually figure out who the owner of this Vegas Yellow R8 is. Sadly, he cannot make it, so we're gonna go ahead and let you guys know now. He said it's all good to go. So Jonathan Clavijo, your R8 is just about done. It's so close. If you guys don't know him, he's been a long time friend of the whole AMS team. He used to have a white R8 with our Alpha 10 kit on it. A customer of ours here was actually looking to purchase a car and basically gave him an offer that he couldn't refuse. So the car is sold. His white R8 was an Alpha 10, and he's kind of stepping it up with this Vegas Yellow R8 here, going to an Alpha 12 package, so it's going to be just a little bit more power and a Stage 4 Plus transmission. So this transmission will be able to handle all of the power. That's about it. Let's go ahead and get inside, showcase the rest of the build that we have not yet shown. Then we're going to get this thing on the dyno, and we're going to make some pulls. Just finished up the build. We're gonna do a test fire right now, make sure the fuel system is good, fans is good, and everything, and get around the dyno. Turbo size. GTX 3582. So you got that, obviously with the kit, our Alpha intercoolers, tail blow-off valves, the stainless steel exhaust.
Ceramic coated, yeah.
Ceramic coated. Great for heat. Tail wastegates right back there. Fuel system upgrade.
Correct. Injectors.
Dual pump? Did he go dual or single?
It's dual pump. You got dual pump. You have our regulator kit, our fuel filter kit, all the lines, the controllers, everything you need. And it's got a MoTeC, so yeah.
Good work.
Yeah, she's gonna put down some power for sure.
Can't wait to see it.
Martin, there's no seats in there.
Dude, this is how low a seat I need to drive this thing. Like a Lamborghini, dude. I need a seat. I need to sitting on the floor because my heads are already in the
roof.
Yes.
So Alex told me a little bit about the transmission.
Yeah, it's a full 4 Plus build, so it's everything minus gear set. So
Minus
it's
gear
got Promax 99 in it, second gear, half shafts, wave track differential. It's got all the billet, pan, diff cover.
She good to go.
Oh yeah.
She good to go.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. So everybody, Jonathan Clavijo's yellow R8. Well, rear bumper needs to go on, but it's pretty much done. But that's going to do it for this video. Josh here, as you guys saw in the last episode, has also been helping out.
Thanks for being patient. I know you'll be really happy with this one. Can't see what you do with it.
So that does it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. Jonathan, enjoy your car, and please subscribe if you guys haven't. I believe only 20% of the people that watch this channel, roughly around there, are actually subscribed. Come on now, just hit the button. It's free, helps us out. It helps us to make a lot cooler videos for you guys on the channel. So with that being said, we appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next one.